Hello everyone, this is Virgo Panda here. Let's do a review of the Vacmaster 8-gallon premium stainless steel wet dry vacuum. I got this in red. As I said, it's 8 gallons. It's a 6 horsepower motor in it, so I really researched it. I was going to get the 5-gallon, but the 8-gallon is not very much more than the 5-gallon. So I had my old one I got at Walmart, it was fine, but after over the years I'd lost the wheels to it, and I've had it probably, I'm not going to lie, 15, 20 years is one of the usual wet dry vacuums. I think a Black& Decker or something. It lasted forever and it still works. But I wanted a nicer one. And I saw this on Amazon. It's stainless steel side. I really liked. And also this video will be kind of sped up as well. So anyway, I wanted a nicer one. So I also wanted a wet dry vacuum, and also a more powerful motor. I think that was a big deal to me as well. This vacuum comes with a bunch of accessories. It has a 17-foot reach, which I think is really good, having a 17-foot cleaning reach with the hose and the power cord. It comes with 10 accessories, which include a round dust brush for blinds, screens, dashboards, and other scratch-prone areas. It comes with the cartridge and the foam filter, so you switch them out. Like you put the bag on for dry vacuuming, and you put on like the foam filter for wet, if I remember right. I bought this in November. It is now March, and so I've tested it for 4 or 5 months, and I have about 5 vehicles. So I vacuumed it. I've used it for actually 6, because you count my pop-up camper. So I've used the heck out of it. It's super powerful, super strong, works really great. Putting it together was a breeze. I can't remember. I don't think I even looked at the accessories looked at the instructions for it. It's definitely bigger than my old one. The quality, it seems like it's a better quality. And I shouldn't say that. It's more stainless steel. My other one was just full plastic, like a Black& Decker, I believe is what it was. But it still works too. It's just not as powerful as this. And I wanted one that was closer to the suction of when you go to a car wash. Is it as strong as one in a car wash? But is it strong? Oh yeah, it's like really strong. I'm very satisfied with it. And you see everything that comes with it. Like I said, I've used it for the last, 5 months or so, and it works really great. 4 or 5 months. The quality's been really good. It does everything I ask it to do. I can deep clean my car. I can shampoo my cars with ease, with no problem. It sucks up all the water and everything from cleaning. Once I get it put together and everything, I'm also going to have your volume up, because I'm going to turn it on so you can hear what it sounds like as well. So I'll stop talking when I get to that point. Like I said, you put the wheels on the bottom. That's pretty simple to do. It has a large drain port for emptying this real quick when you're picking up water and stuff like that. And so you can see there's the drain port, like right there. Also, if you put the hose on the other side, it will blow. So it's really strong. So I've blown out my garage with it as well. So we're going to put it together right here. There's the wet piece right there. But I can definitely tell, picking up compared to my old one, the size of it is much, the motor, you can tell, is much bigger than the one that was in my other one. We're putting the handles on right now. And I don't really pick them up by the handles ever. I did that with my old one and pulled the handle off of it. I just picked the whole thing up, or I didn't have it secured and you just drop the bottom. I did not do that with this one, but it's just from, my past. When I did that, I dropped it. So there you go. There's some of the accessories that come with it. Pretty good quality plastic. Yeah, so we're just putting it together right now. And like I said, once I get it all put together, and this was around, I think it was $80, if I remember right, $80, $90. You'll get it on sale. Actually, I probably got it on sale for around $90, because it looks like they're about $100. It came really fast. It's Amazon, of course, so it came in like, a couple days maybe. Could have been the next day. I don't even remember. Like I said, it has a large drain port on the bottom for that. I'm setting it up right now for dry vacuuming. That's for like your car and stuff, just do regular vacuuming and everything like that. It also has a high performance motor, delivers 83 inches of water lift for tough messes. I guess that's good, right? You tell me. I think it's pretty good, but I can tell you this, it's the most powerful car vacuum I've had ever, and it makes me feel like I'm at the car wash when I used to clean up crap, or even pick up stuff off my garage floor, which I shouldn't be doing, but I end up doing sometimes. The cord is 10 feet long, if I didn't mention that. Hose is 7 feet long, and then the cord, the other accessories make it 7 feet, another 10 feet, so 17 feet altogether. So yeah, we're going to just test it out real quick. So there you go. And of course, it's going to be loud. Like I said, I feel like I'm at the car wash at times when I'm using it. I like it. It works well. I've had no issues with it. I did have another one in between the Black & Decker I got that was really cheap back in the day, and it burned out pretty fast when in the trash. This one, no issues. I'll leave the Amazon links for this for you to buy this yourself. I highly recommend this one. And like I said, I feel like I'm at the car wash using theirs, but I don't have to pay a quarter or 50 or $1, whatever it costs now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Frugal Panda. Have a good day. Bye.